Hi guys, so if your system time keep getting wrong and it is drifting automatically after reboot or after some time, then here is the fix. So what you need to do is just run this command in the terminal window. What it does, it just shift this file com.apple.timed.plist from this location to desktop. Okay, what happens that this file may get corrupted, may have corrupted, and a fresh file will be created after reboot. So once you run this command, your computer will reboot. Just copy this command, open terminal and paste this command and hit enter, and you will be prompted to enter your Mac password also. Once your computer gets restarted, you can see that this file has been pasted here, and at that location the file must have been created. Now what you can do, you can just go to system settings, go to general, go to date and time, and make sure the set and time and date automatically is there. If it is not, turn it on and see whether this fixes your issue or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.